Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an interesting problem to tackle. So, imagine you're trying to streamline your Git workflow by using SSH-Agent to avoid entering a passphrase every time you sign a commit with an ED25519 SSH key. The catch is, even though everything seems set up correctly, you still find yourself prompted for the passphrase every single time. Frustrating, right? This issue mainly stems from a configuration discrepancy that affects the command line and VS Code, while Visual Studio seems to be working just fine. Now, let's delve into the solution for this passphrase problem. The key here lies in understanding that signing using SSH keys does not involve ssh.exe, but rather ssh-keygen.exe. When running Git for Windows, the Git bash environment is automatically included in the $path, which means the main openssh build is being utilized. In this case, the SSH-Keygen being used doesn't communicate effectively with the Win32 openssh SSH-Agent due to slight incompatibilities and how they handle Unix sockets. To resolve this, you need to set gpg.ssh.program to point to the correct SSH-Keygen executable. In summary, to overcome the passphrase prompt issue when signing Git commits using an ED25519 SSH key, make sure to adjust your configuration to point to the correct SSH-Keygen executable. By setting gpg.ssh.program appropriately, you'll ensure seamless communication between Git for Windows and the Win32 openssh SSH-Agent. And there you have it. I hope this solution helps streamline the Git workflow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or any tech dilemmas you'd like me to tackle next. Remember, keep coding and stay curious.